Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt limited by default sizes in Canva, or you've been searching for an easy, free way to adjust your project dimensions, today's video is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll master a simple trick to resize your Canva designs exactly how you want, all within the free version. So let's jump right in and learn how to take full control over your canvas. First, let's head over to Canva. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in canva.com, then logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's free to sign up and all you need is an email address. Once you're in here, where we get things moving. At the Canva dashboard, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually a big, colorful button near the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a drop-down menu appears with lots of preset options, Instagram posts, presentations, all sorts of things, but what we want is total control. So select Custom Size. This is perfect because it lets you set any dimension you need, whether it's for a website banner, a special print job, or just a unique project. Now you'll see two boxes where you can enter your width and height. Type in 100 for the width and 50 for the height. You can choose either pixels, inches, or centimeters here, but for most digital projects, pixels work just fine. The numbers might seem random, but this step is just a starting point. For now, we're setting up a basic canvas to demonstrate the resizing trick. Once you've set your custom dimensions, click that button to create new design. Canva will open a clean, empty workspace with exactly the size you entered. This is your blank slate, ready for whatever you want to create, whether it's graphics, flyers, or social media headers. Alright, now here's the really cool part, the resizing trick. Maybe you've designed something but realize you actually needed a different size. In the free version of Canva, the resizing feature isn't always obvious, but here's what you do. Look at the top left of your workspace. Right beside the File menu, you'll see a button labeled Resize. Go ahead and click that. This resize option is incredibly helpful, and it's what makes Canva so flexible. Select Custom Size again, just like before, and then enter your new dimensions. Let's say you need that design in a larger format. Type in the width and height you need. Be sure to check the checkbox next to Resize Content. This tells Canva to scale everything inside your design to fit the new canvas, rather than just changing the project's boundary. Once you've entered the new dimensions and checked the box, click the button to confirm, and there you go. Canva instantly resizes your entire design. Depending on how complex your project is, this could take just a second or two. Don't worry if you see a loading animation. Give it a moment and your resized design will pop up, perfectly adjusted. If instead of changing the dimensions of your current work, you'd rather keep your original untouched and start fresh with a new size, there's a handy option for that too. When you click the Resize button, look for Copy and Resize. This will duplicate your project, apply the new size, and keep your initial design safe. Great for making different versions for different uses. And that's really it, fast and simple, but super powerful once you know where to look. Experiment with different sizes, see what works best for your projects, and don't be afraid to play around. Remember, Canva saves your work automatically, so you can always come back and tweak things. If you found this free resizing trick helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions, or is there a Canva topic you want to see next? Drop a comment below. I always read them and love helping you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.